January sunrise to late December rain. You're my quiet Sunday, you're my sweetest hurricane.
Every little heartbeat tells me I belong. You turn the small moments into our forever song.
You're my Valentine for 365 days. Every dawn, every dusk, in 1,000 little ways.
In the kitchen, in the moonlight, in the middle of the maze.
You're my Valentine for 365 days.
Every breath, every phase. You're my Valentine for 365 days. Laughing while we slow dance, bare feet on the floor, tracing all your laughter lines. I just want a million more.
When the world feels heavy, you're my easy,
Gentle smile.
we turn the living room to a ballroom for a while. Oh yeah, you're my Valentine for 365
days. Every dawn, every dusk, in 1,000 little ways. In the quiet, in the trouble, in the fire and the praise.
You're my Valentine for 365 days.
Every breath, every phase. You're my Valentine for 365 days.
Every season I choose you again.
From the first soft hello to the last amen.
If there's tomorrow, we'll be swaying the same. Two hearts, one flame, calling each other's name. Hey, you're my Valentine for 365 days.
Every dawn, every dusk, in 1,000 little ways. In the sunshine, in the heartbreak, in the healing we raise.
You're my Valentine for 365 days.
Every breath, every phase. You're my Valentine for 365 days.
Hold me till the stars fade.
Hold me till the stars fade.